Hello guys. I am Pentastic, and welcome to our channel. And for today's video, we will unbox a cheap dual head coloring brush pen marker. And we will talk about its price, the quality, the colors and effectiveness of the item. So stay and keep watching our video. If you are new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for you to be notified every time we upload the new videos. You can also like, share and comment for any recommendations. Let's unbox. So here it is. Our dual head coloring brush pen marker. It was well packaged, which is good for the item. It has 24 colors, comes up with a box made of plastic, with a black handlebar, and serves as a stand as well, which is good. Beautiful. These pen markers are good for drawings, letterings and calligraphies, which is good for students and beginners. Can't wait to try all of this. Let's have a simple swatches for each colors. Alright. First, let's try black. It's okay. Not as I expecting, but it's okay. Let's try the brush part of the pen. Wow. I'm impressed. I love the ink of the brush pen. Okay, let's try other colors. We have pink. The marker pen tip is the same as the other, but still, it's okay. But the brush pen tip was awesome. I love it.
It's a good buy. For about 150 pesos or around $7, you can have a good quality tool for your drawings, letterings, and calligraphies. One thing that I noticed about some of the lids of the pens, it took me some hard times to remove it, especially the brush pen tip lid, a little bit frustrating because it can damage or possibly pull out the tip, or, literally spreading out the inks onto your fingers. But overall, this double head brush pen marker still a good buy. Look, for a lower price you can have a good and quality tool that you can use to your artworks, projects or hobbies. Each pen has a guaranteed high-quality material. You can also choose to 3 sets of colors, 12, 18, and 24. Let's have a simple letterings. So that's it. Everything is good. The marker is remarkable, its vibrant colors are perfect to any project you have. Plus, you can buy them to just cheaper prices. If you enjoyed this kind of video, feel free to like and share. If you are new to our channel, please don't skip to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for you to be updated every time we upload new videos. Thank you.